Welcome back to Skyjet Wings. We're thrilled to have you join us as we delve into the extraordinary world of aviation. Picture this, a 20-ton machine, a marvel of engineering and technology, standing ready to defy gravity. Packed with more computing power than the entire 1980s, this aircraft is a flying supercomputer. It's a testament to human ingenuity, just hanging in the air, not flying, not falling, defying expectations, seemingly suspended by an invisible force. It's not science fiction, this is reality, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. It's the F-22 Raptor, an apex predator of the skies, a symbol of air dominance. Tonight we reveal the engineering marvel that lets it perform aerial ballets, graceful and precise movements that belie its size and power, a secret weapon hiding in plain sight, a technology so revolutionary it redefines the limits of aerial maneuverability. Air shows are full of jets roaring by, showcasing speed and power in breathtaking displays. But the Raptor does more. It transcends the ordinary, venturing into the realm of the extraordinary. It pirouettes, a graceful spin that defies the laws of physics for an aircraft of its size, somersaults executing perfect loops and rolls with an agility that's simply astonishing, and pulls off maneuvers that would rip other planes apart, stressing its airframe to the absolute limit yet maintaining complete control. Pilots and engineers worldwide have watched, stunned, their jaws dropping in disbelief at what they're witnessing, as this massive jet moves with the grace of a dancer, a ballerina of the skies, defying its size and weight with every move. They call it Supermaneuverability, a term coined to describe its unparalleled agility. But that word barely captures what's happening. It's more than just maneuverability. It's a complete reimagining of flight. The real secret lies deep within the Raptor's core, hidden from view, but essential to its incredible performance. I saw it myself at a Virginia air show, witnessing firsthand the Raptor's breathtaking capabilities. The Raptor climbed, ascending vertically with seemingly limitless power, stopped mid-air, defying gravity and expectations in equal measure, then slid tail first in a controlled, silent fall, a maneuver that would be catastrophic for any other aircraft. It wasn't just flying, it was something else entirely. It was rewriting the rules of flight, challenging everything we thought we knew about aerodynamics. For over a century, aviation has been governed by a set of fundamental principles. Planes have relied on airflow over wings and control surfaces to maneuver. Lift, drag, thrust, and weight, the four pillars of flight. But slow down too much and you lose control. You stall, you fall. A pilot's worst nightmare. The F-22 doesn't care about that. It laughs in the face of conventional limitations. It has a trick, a secret weapon that sets it apart from every other aircraft in the world, a ghost in the machine, a hidden capability that unlocks a new dimension of flight. That lets it fly where others can only fall, pushing the boundaries of the flight envelope to an unprecedented degree. That trick is called vectored thrust, the key to the Raptor's incredible maneuverability. With vectored thrust, the F-22 can precisely control the direction of its engine exhaust. The Raptor can control its movement even when traditional aerodynamics fail, maintaining stability and control in situations where other aircraft would be helpless. It's a fundamental shift in what's possible in the sky, a paradigm shift that has redefined the art of aerial combat. The Raptor's maneuvers aren't just impressive, they are a testament to human innovation and engineering prowess. They're impossible for anything else. A unique combination of technology and design that makes the F-22 truly one of a kind. This is more than a jet, it's a symbol of technological superiority and air dominance. It's a statement that the old rules no longer apply. A new era of aviation has dawned and the F-22 is leading the way. The F-22 is the king of the sky, ruling the airspace with unmatched power and agility. And tonight we'll show you why. We'll delve into the technology and engineering that makes the F-22 so extraordinary. Get ready to see flight as you've never seen it before. Prepare to be amazed by the F-22's incredible capabilities. The impossible dance is real, a testament to the power of human ingenuity and technological innovation, and it's powered by vectored thrust, the secret ingredient that unlocks the F-22's unparalleled maneuverability. Let's pull back the curtain and reveal the inner workings of this incredible machine. Welcome to the future of flight, a future where the impossible becomes reality. So, what exactly is vectored thrust? What does it mean for an aircraft to possess this capability? It's not about simply having more raw power at your disposal, it's about employing power in a smarter, more strategic way. It's about control and finesse. A standard jet engine, in its most basic form, is like a hairdryer. It blows hot air straight back, generating thrust and pushing the plane forward in a linear fashion. Simple, but effective. But the F-22's Pratt & Whitney F-119 engines are fundamentally different in their design and operation. What makes them so special? Their secret lies in the design and functionality of the exhaust nozzles. Take a close look at the back of an F-22, you'll immediately notice two rectangular nozzles, a stark contrast to the more common round ones found on most aircraft. But the real magic is that these nozzles aren't fixed, they move, pivoting independently up and down, each with a range of about 20 degrees. That range might seem small on paper, but in the world of high-performance aviation, where every fraction of a degree matters, it's everything. This dynamic movement gives the pilot the ability to precisely aim the engine's thrust, allowing them to do far more than simply push forward. Imagine a speedboat that has the unique ability to swivel its motor and therefore its thrust, independently of its rudder. You'd be able to execute turns with incredible sharpness and speed, leaving others in your wake. The F-22 takes this concept and applies it in 3 dimensions, and it does so at supersonic speeds, generating a staggering 70,000 pounds of thrust. And the result of all this sophisticated engineering? The Raptor can aggressively force its way through the air with unmatched agility, pointing its nose in virtually any direction it chooses, even when it's barely moving through the air. It's not just about flying from point A to point B, it's about completely commanding the sky and dictating the terms of engagement. Vectored thrust provides the F-22 with a second and arguably more potent method of maneuvering, going far beyond the limitations of conventional wings and control surfaces. It's akin to having an invisible hand that precisely pushes the jet exactly where the pilot intends it to go, offering unparalleled control. This is the key element that transforms the Raptor into a true apex predator of the skies, ensuring it's always the hunter, never the hunted. In the realm of aerial combat, the difference between being ordinary and extraordinary can often be measured in a mere 20 degrees. The F-22's advanced nozzles are the precision scalpel that transforms immense raw power into breathtaking aerial artistry. This is a testament to pure engineering genius and innovative design. The secret to the F-22's incredible maneuverability is, without a doubt, in the nozzles. And that single design element changes absolutely everything about aerial combat and aircraft design. Vectored thrust isn't just a cool feature, it's a game changer. Here's how vectored thrust actually works in flight, transforming the way an aircraft maneuvers. The F-22's flight control system is a digital masterpiece, a symphony of code and sensors working in perfect harmony. It's all about translating the pilot's simple inputs, the subtle movements of hand and foot, into a seamless dance between control surfaces, each responding with precision and grace. And of course, the engine nozzles, the key to unlocking the Raptor's incredible agility. The pilot just thinks, I want to go there. Focusing on the objective, the target, the mission. The jet's brain does the rest in milliseconds, calculating, adjusting, and executing with lightning speed. When the pilot pulls back, demanding a climb, the nozzles pivot instantly, snapping the nose skyward with breathtaking force. The Raptor can achieve angles of attack far beyond what's possible for conventional jets, pushing the boundaries of aerodynamics. Where other aircraft would stall and lose control, the F-22 remains stable and responsive. It's like balancing a broomstick, not just with your hand, but with rocket thrusters precisely aimed for ultimate control. The F-22 can effortlessly perform post-stall maneuvers, defying gravity and expectations. It's capable of turning tighter and faster than any potential opponent, a crucial advantage in close-quarters combat. In a dogfight, the F-22 can pivot instantly, changing direction on a dime. This allows it to bring its weapons to bear with unmatched speed, while others are still struggling to keep up. The very rules of air combat have been rewritten, changed forever, by this revolutionary technology. With vectored thrust, the Raptor doesn't just fight for air superiority, it utterly dominates the skies. At the heart of the Raptor are two Pratt & Whitney F-119 engines, 35,000 pounds of thrust each. These engines aren't just powerful, they're precise with moving nozzles that withstand volcanic heat and massive forces. Made from exotic alloys, they articulate thousands of times per flight, responding instantly to the flight computer. The F-119S also enables supercruise supersonic flight without afterburner, giving the Raptor unmatched speed and endurance. This means the F-22 can choose when and where to fight, always with an energy advantage. The harmony of power control and digital intelligence is what makes the Raptor's moves possible. It's not just the nozzles, it's the whole engine system working as one. the F-119 is the Raptor's beating heart. You've seen the Pugachev's Cobra Russian jets pulling their noses skyward, briefly flying backward. It's dramatic, but for most jets it's a risky stunt, not a real tactic. During the Cobra, non-vectored jets are out of control, unable to aim or fire. Enter the F-22 with vectored thrust. It can perform similar maneuvers while staying fully in control. The Raptor can pull its nose up, lock onto a target, fire, and recover all while the enemy is still disoriented. For Russian jets, extreme maneuvers are a testament to aerodynamics. For the F-22, they're a function of raw, directable power. The Raptor's flight envelope is defined by thrust, not just airflow. It's the difference between a gymnast and a superhero. Both impress, but only one breaks the rules. The F-22 turns stunts into strategy. Behind all this technology sits a human pilot. Flying the F-22 isn't like any other jet. It's a partnership of trust. The pilot commands, the flight computer and vectored thrust make it happen. The cockpit's HOTAS system lets the pilot control everything without letting go of the stick or throttle. Rapid maneuvers demand instant decisions, and the Raptor's interface delivers only the most vital information. The pilot becomes the conductor of a technological orchestra. Vectored thrust, stealth, sensors, they're all instruments, but the pilot's skill brings them together. The technology doesn't replace the human, it elevates them. In the F-22, flesh and steel fight as one. It's the ultimate partnership in the sky. Other jets have vectored thrust, the Russian Su-35, Su-57 and the F-35B, but the F-22 is unique. It combines vectored thrust with extreme stealth. Russian jets are agile but visible, their maneuverability is a last resort. The Raptor is designed to be invisible, ending fights before they begin. So why give a stealth jet the world's best dogfighting ability? Vectored thrust is the Raptor's insurance policy. If detected, it becomes the most agile brawler in the sky. No other jet blends stealth and maneuverability so seamlessly. The F-22 is a sniper and a martial artist, deadly at any range. It has no weaknesses, that's why it's still the king. Now the big reveal post-stall maneuvering. In most jets, a stall is an emergency. In the F-22, it's just another move. Vectored thrust lets the Raptor fight even when its wings stop working. Imagine an enemy closing in. The Raptor pulls up, slows, and stalls. The pursuer overshoots, but the F-22, held aloft by its engines, pivots its nose and fires. It becomes a stationary turret in the sky, then drops its nose and flies away. This isn't theory, it's proven. The F-22 can fight in any part of the sky, not just where wings work. This is what keeps rival air forces awake at night. The Raptor does what's supposed to be impossible. Its playbook is unique, and it's all thanks to those two moving rectangles at the back. The F-22 Raptor isn't just a machine, it's a revolution in flight. Its vectored thrust system lets it defy gravity and redefine air combat. The story of the Raptor is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of the impossible. But the story isn't over. The world of aerospace needs new dreamers, thinkers, and builders. The principles behind the F-22 are out there for anyone to learn. The next breakthrough could come from you. Don't just watch, participate. The sky is calling, it's your turn to answer.